Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start learning about Python programming language. So, basically, we have to know what is Python programming language and how it is differed from other languages. So, let's start with this. Python is a high level programming language. It is very easy to understand and it uses very less syntaxes compared to other programming languages to perform operations. So Python you follows the indentation, so it is mandatory to follow the indentation for the aggregation, else it gives errors. Then the Python programming is different from other programming languages, and you have to know how. Means, if you use a C programming language or any other Java programming language, it is necessary to declare the variables before starting the execution. But in Python, it is not required to declare the variables before at the initial point. Directly, you can start with the programming and you can just assign values and you can start executing there itself. And the basically the Python programming is used to create web applications, used to connect the database systems to read and modify files. It handles big data, perform complex mathematical operations. So mathematical operations are basically like arithmetic operations and many regular expression programming languages, theorems. These all will be used in the mathematical operations, but these are all already available in the modules of the Python, where you have to just import them in your file and you can work on the operations. The one more benefit of Python is that it has an auto garbage collection which saves the memory in the system. And Python program is very easy to understand by the beginners. If the non-IT student who wants to learn Python program, it is very easy because it is written in a very simple my language of English. So it is very easy and it is platform independent because it can be used on any of the platform like Windows, Mac, and other of this. Next, it is an open source and very free to use. So open source, it has no any conditions or it has no any license to be used for the installation or using of the programs. It can be easily installed and it can be used. So let's start with the programming language of Python by basics. So I have started programming in the Visual Studio, where I have taken a variable as print. Sorry, there's a print method where I'm going to print the string concatenation. Then here you have can observe that I have not declared any value which I am going to use in the programs. I have directly started with the print method here. Then I have taken a variable name where I'm going to print the good word. Similarly, I'm going to print it. Then I have taken another variable as var1, that is morning. Then the third variable I've declared here, and I'm going to concatenate the first and second variable, that is name and val, which is going to give me the modified result. Yes. So string concatenation I have done. First I have printed the first value, that is good. So it is printed here. Then I have updated value to good morning. Then I have taken the length of the mod value. So the updated value which I is assigned in the mod value, I want to check the length of it. So it is giving me 11 as a length of the values. Similarly, I have used del val1. What does it mean del? Del is nothing but delete val1. So it will delete my value of the one, that is morning. Instead of that, what I'm going to do is val1, I'm going to assign value as afternoon. So Mod value is modified value, that is name plus var1 val1, which changes my value to good morning, from good morning to good afternoon. Understood? Then I'm going to work on the list of values, where I'm going to take the list of numbers as L1 and L2. So L1 I have taken list of values. The list values must be represented in the format of square brackets, and then I have to print. Similarly, I have taken two values in the L2, that is 55 and 56. Then I am going to concatenate the list values in the result. So I have got the result value as old value and the new value. So then I have taken dictionary methods. The dictionary value is same as list, but the assigned values is are in the format of parenthesis, square brackets, and it holds keys and values. So you have to declare the key numbers and the values for it in the dictionary method. Then I have to print the keys, and then I have to print the values of it. So total list of dictionary I am going to print, that is mentioned here. So list of values are 1, 2, 3, and these are the dictionary values. So this is how the Python programming works, and we'll learn all the Python programming languages in the next session, and it is very simple to use. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much.